Welcome back to my channel. For my lovely ladies out there who really want to wear flattering dresses at home, because this is the lockdown time, we can't go out, but we still don't want to spoil our days. We still want to have a lot of fun. What we should wear at home, carry out the day in the best way possible. This video, I'm going to show you some of my lounge specials which you can wear at home without compromising the quality of your standards, without compromising the fashion which you really want to follow, and without compromising the dresses which you enjoy wearing the most. So stay tuned everyone. I'm going to show you all my pretty clothes which you can wear at home and have a nice pajama party. Stay with me. I don't know who invented this idea that at homes you can wear anything. If you are a lady of class, a lady of sophistication, I never recommend you to wear anything and everything or any shabby clothes. See, every home has a certain dress code, has a certain etiquette. So people who are living with their families, living with their partners, so I prefer long lounge wears, long trousers when you are with your families, because that makes everybody around you comfortable, and that is an appropriate dress to wear at home. You need to wear appropriate clothes when you are sitting in the living room watching the TV. You want to look elegant, buy loungewear sets depending on the weather you are having in your country. Right now we are having summer in India. Wear your summer dresses at home, shorts like this. Other than shorts, you can also wear some lacy loungewears. Lacy dresses look really sexy, really luxurious and expensive. It gives such a luxe vibe and such a luxury flavor to you. You can go for silk clothes at night times when you are sleeping. You can go for a silk loungewear set. The finish of satin is so nice. Buy a steamer and you can remove the wrinkles of the silky clothes. Just go to your closet and see any cloth which is there in the closet for like 5 years, 10 years, torn after washing a lot, faded, throw them out, and please start wearing nice clothes at home. If it's the summer season, you can wear your all kinds of summer clothes, monochrome. There are so many good prints out there for loungewear pants, trousers. You can go for full sleeves. Nowadays a lot of good material ropes are there in the market. Try to wear it at home. It looks super nice, super flattering. Now let's talk about people who are living with their partners. Please discuss it with the partner first, what kind of dresses they like you to wear, and please never assume that certain kind of clothes they really like in you. It's better to discuss with them, especially the married couples who are living with their partners. You are not just dressing for yourself, you also want to dress for your hubby. You should ask them. If you're communicating with them, they might end up gifting you a nice set. Wear it. It is a good idea when you are investing your money on appropriate clothes which you are gonna wear inside homes, because we are spending more and more time inside homes nowadays. Make sure the material is nice. You can use viscose rayon, you can use silk. If you like cotton, go for it. I personally do not invest so much on cotton because it gets washed out so quickly. You can buy loungewears made up of viscose rayon, satin finish, even your linen is fine. Especially when you are living with a family, it is very important to know your dress codes and follow them religiously, so that people around you should not be feeling uncomfortable when you are wearing your cute pajamas, lounging for your daily chores and running your errands for the day. It has a satin finish. It looks so luxe and so expensive, yet it is not that expensive. You can wear it especially as a night wear. Robes are on trend. You can buy and you can invest these robes. It looks really pretty, especially if you are wearing a little revealing dresses. Really nice detailing. Comes with a belt. It comes with a proper set. You can buy. These are royal colors. Other than these colors, you may find it in pink, you may find it in different colors. If you are wearing shorts, this looks really nice, but make sure you buy the proper set and don't try to mix and match, because that makes you look less expensive and less luxurious. I think that is not that flattering as if you just buy the proper set which comes with a robe and which comes with the nice spaghetti and which comes with a nice satin finish dress, and which comes with a nice summer pants. This is a long robe with some nice cute lacy details you can see here, right? So get your robes for your homes. Pure satin finish silk, and it has a net details also in the end. Everybody watch some movies, before sleeping. All of us do that. So meanwhile, for night wear, you can dress something like this and sleep in this silk material, because silk actually prevents you from aging, because when your skin gets rubbed with the surface, it gets wrinkly. So I personally feel this silk satin cloth is more better, because you get less wrinkles on your skin wearing silk. And okay, maybe in the morning it gets a little wrinkly, then you can just use your steamers to iron once you wash these. And if it is a winter season, you just can go for your joggers as well. I have so many of joggers with me which I like to wear, and even if you have to go out suddenly, or within 2 seconds you can just be out from your house wearing nice joggers. Buy some really nice printed patterned loungewear sets, night suits. You are struggling, what should I wear at home? I don't want to look shabby. Loungewear set is the best idea, and I'm telling you, not just for the lockdown sake. Even when there is no lockdown, people are wearing loungewear set, and girls are pulling it really good. You might want to purchase 1 or 2 loungewear set and see how it looks on you. Make sure the material is comfortable. If it is a summer season like nowadays, you can go out for really nice loungewear pants and loungewear sets made up of cotton, made up of satin finish, or made up of viscose rayon. In case you want to purchase that particular piece of set, I will give all the details in my description box. I wish you all the best for your pajama parties at home. With that being said, I'm gonna sign off, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe everyone, and enjoy your pajama party.